Did you know there's a creature that exists nowhere else on Earth, except in Australia? A symbol of strength, freedom, and wild beauty, the kangaroo. Across the golden plains and silent deserts, these incredible jumpers move with a rhythm as old as the land itself. From sunrise to sunset, they travel in harmony with the wind, mothers carrying their tiny joeys close, watching the vast horizon. In this ancient continent, the kangaroo isn't just an animal. It's the living heartbeat of Australia, wild, gentle, and truly one of a kind.